Wordify language through form, meaning, and use. Hello and welcome to another interesting word, phonetics. It's singular noun and it is related to a branch of linguistics concerned with speech sounds. In other words, we can say scientific study of human speech. For example, we can use this word in a sentence like this. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics. We can make another sentence. I have utmost interest in phonetics. We have another word, phonetic, without s. We don't use s, we have to delete it. Then it becomes adjective, and we can use this in a sentence like, we must study phonetic symbols. Here, another important term is acoustics. See the difference between phonetics and acoustics. Phonetics is the scientific study of speech sounds, human speech, but acoustics is science of sound, scientific study of sound in general, and this is a branch of physics where we study how the sound is transmitted, how the sound is measured, and so on. And the person who is specialized in the subject matter of phonetics is known as phonetician. That is to say, a person who specializes in speech sounds. Hope you understand the word. Thank you and goodbye. Wordify language through form, meaning, and use.